My name is Fernando. We are going to explain some problems for you and the outcome of the problem. A retailer in a small city is trying to decide on future expansion of her store. Sociologists at the local university have predicted that the population of the city 10 years from now will be given by the function n of t equals 40,000 plus 8,000 over parentheses t plus 1 squared. Based on this prediction, what is the lower limit for the population? So now we start with the problem. This is our original equation and we have to find the lower limit of the population. So since we did not get a specific number for t, which equals years, t will be then approaching infinity, such as in here. And then we follow through with the equation, which equals 40,000 plus 8,000 over, and then we had in the original equation t plus 1 squared, which equals t squared plus 2t plus 1. Then you have to divide every number in this division without the 40,000, because the 40,000 is not included in the division, by the variable with the highest exponent. So you get 8,000 over t squared over t squared, plus 2t over t squared, plus 1 over t squared.
Then you have to simplify. So when you simplify, it gets you n of t as t approaches infinity equals 40,000 plus 8,000 over t squared over 1 plus 2 over t plus 1 over t squared. You have to simplify using the power rule. The power rule states that if the number is being divided by a variable with a higher exponent, it cancels out and it becomes 0. So in this, it ends up being n of t as t approaches infinity equals 40,000 plus 0 over 1 plus 0 plus 0.
After using the power rule, you simply have to add up every number in your equation. So you get n of t as t approaches infinity equals 40,000 plus 0 over 1, which equals n of t as t approaches infinity equals 40,000 plus 0.
You have to add up everything that's in your equation. So it gives you n of t as t approaches infinity equals 40,000.
Hello, my name is Roberto and I will be explaining this problem. So as you can see, this is my problem and I will be solving it by definition. By definition means that I will use this formula. So the first step, as you can see, is that I plug in the formula, and the second step is just multiplying the x's and the h's. The third step, I will be divided all by h, and I will be canceling the terms that can be cancelled. The fourth step will be, I will have this, then I will take an h for it to be cancelled for the h that is dividing, and this will be one of my final things that I will get. And the final step is multiplying the h's times 0, and that will be the end. This is the answer.
Hello, my name is Fernando. I just wanted to say that this project really helped me, and it was really interesting because we had to solve two problems, one of derivatives and one of limits, and it really helped expand our knowledge, and it was really interesting to capture our video explaining the process and how to solve it. I really like this project and hope to have more projects in the future. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Roberto and I was in charge in this problem to do in this project to do a problem by derivatives. In this problem, it was very easy for me to do it, but I realized that it was pretty hard to explain it. It is not the same for me to just do the problem, to explain it, and there are some changes. I really understand how the teachers feel, because it is not the same to just do a problem than explain it to another people.
Fernando Cantu, and I just wanted to say that this project was really good. It turned out very good. I learned on how you can teach other people and how it's not the same just doing your problem and explaining the problem like step by step. It opened my eyes to realize that math has a lot of steps, and you can decide to skip a lot of steps or take all of them. And if you take all of them, you'll see all the process and why you did everything. So that's it. I hope you liked the project, and I'm out.